Have you ever wondered what it takes to grow your hustle into a real business or turn your career dreams into reality? What if the one connection that changes your business forever is waiting this Sunday? This Sunday, 31st August, at number 25 Anyulawapu Street, Shomolu, Lagos, time 8 a.m. sharp, we will be exploring the business and career world together. The theme is My Business, My Career Journey. It includes business owners showcasing their hustle, big brains dropping career and business insights, networking. Your next plug might be here. Business plus career plus networking plus freebies equals something big this Sunday. Location, number 25 Anyulawapu Street, Shomolu, Lagos. Date, Sunday, 31st August, 8 a.m. They said church is only for prayers. Wait till you see what's happening this Youth Sunday. Don't miss opportunities like this. Come ready to connect, learn, and shine.